Hi everyone, it's Boris Mednikov here.
And Tanya Zuba with Vanguard Real Estate.
And today we'd like to show you our newest listing that is located at 238 Barker Boulevard in the beautiful Charleswood neighborhood. Let's step inside and take a look. Welcome to this beautiful family home that features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, fully finished basement, beautiful fully fenced backyard, double touch garage and so much more.
You're gonna love this warm and cozy family room, which comes with this gas fireplace and access to your bright and airy sunroom. This upper level comes with this large primary bedroom with 3-piece ensuite bathroom, large walk-in closet. On the top of that, there are 3 additional bedrooms and 4-piece bathroom.
Check out this gorgeous, fully finished lower level that comes with a huge rec room, a work area, and tons of storage. If you've been looking for a great family home in Charleswood, you must take a look at this one.
It's conveniently located close to schools, parks, playgrounds, and many other amenities.
For any additional information or to book a private showing, you can contact us at the information below. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media at Boris Mednikov
and Tanya Zuba on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
See you soon!